What's up, guys? It's Saturday morning here at Rock Solid Motorsports. I'm up here playing catch up like I usually do. I was going to show you this new sweet little piece that Streetcar Fabrication has out now. He actually made this for my car, which is going to be a twin 3-inch feed to a single 4-inch with a 104mm turbo. So most of the time we would take two pieces of pipe and do a fancy cut on them and make a merge going into a V-band style turbo like that. But now that he has this nice billet piece, this will make our life easy, just like the billet flanges. So you got receiving grooves for pipe on the back side, and then you have, it's modular, so you can weld a V-band on it or whatever flange you've got for your turbo. This is a very nice piece. Forget exactly what it weighs. I think a couple pounds. But if you're into making your setups look really sweet, you know, with some really nice parts, you know, getting things polished, different things like a lot of the pro bike guys are doing now, this is a nice addition to add to your build. This is the first prototype that he did. The ones he's doing now have a lot smoother finish than this, even though I'm happy with this. But this was the first one he did as a prototype, and I decided to take it for my car because Dieter's Custom Finishing is going to polish all my setup, so all this will be slick anyway. So if you're looking for an easy way to make a merge, he offers a bunch of different sizes. I know he hasn't posted a lot yet about this besides just the PRI pictures, but he will offer various sizes. I think he's got a 3.5 and a 3 for the outlet, and then he's got a 2.5 and maybe a 2.25. I'm not positively sure. I know he's got 3 and 2.5, and then 4-inch and 3.5, and I think he's got 3-inch as well for the outlet. So check them out if you haven't already. I'll be posting pictures when I get this thing put on my car if I ever do get my car done. See you next time.